Hey guys, I thought you might find this interesting. Got a flat tire on my Subi and went and got the kit out, the spare tire. Come to find out that this tire iron doesn't fit into this little hole. I can't use the tire iron to turn the crank and raise my car up. Time to improvise. Leatherman Surge. Sure glad I got this in the car. Now, I'm not so stupid that I'm going to try to use my Leatherman to undo these nuts. I'll use the tire iron for that. Get a load of that bad boy. Don't know what you are, but you just killed my tire. Let's get this bad boy home. Well, that's just one example of why a solid multi-tool is a great thing to keep in your car. There's the Leatherman Surge helping me change my tire. Rock on!